Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance Slow Wine. The song is Slow Wine and the artist is DOTT. If you or someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, if you're interested in the step-by-step instruction for this dance, I'll post it at the end of this video. And let's go. Check out the step-by-step instructional Y'all guys have a wonderful time. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you in the next video.